Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Renew Tabs 1.75 pounds. What is Leisure Time Renew Tabs? Rid your hot tub of organic contaminants, both large and microscopic, with Leisure Time's Chlorine-free Renew Shock Oxidizer tablets. As part of Leisure Time Simple's Care Spa program, these quick-dissolving tablets can be used with Leisure Time's Reserve or with chlorine and bromine. Renew quickly break down oils, deodorants, lotions, and other contaminants in your spa, giving you purified water almost instantly. Leisure Time's Renew tablets also have a pH buffer, so there's no worry about the balance or clarity of your water being off. Product benefits: no measuring and no mess with easy-to-use tablets. Breaks down oil, lotion, and other organics we track into spas to avoid problems with the water. Easily breaks down, allowing you to use your spa in minutes. Chlorine-free shock oxidizer with a pH buffer to keep your spa water stable. Renew tablet use a unique water cleaning action to quickly break down and destroy contaminants to create clear, clean water. Usage directions. After each use. Step 1. Turn on the filtration system. Step 2. For every 250 gallons of water, place 3 tablets into the spa water. Step 3. Run filtration system for 15 minutes with cover off. Step 4. Repeat the process once a week to help maintain clear, odor-free water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.